That is not good. Okay, so the Hoover Dam just exploded. It just happened. Can you feel that?
Yeah, I really don't like this height.
Yeah, I love it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Woo! Look at that Chevy Camaro down there.
Hey, Bubba. Hi. We just saw it explode. Hi. We just saw that big explosion down there.
It's shaking
Lots of
so
fire
much.
and yeah.